How to change the Instagram called Ringtone. What's up everybody, welcome to another tutorial. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily change the Instagram's call Ringtone. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe to the channel. Now let's continue to the video. The first thing that you need to do is go ahead and open up your phone settings. Scroll down until you see this app settings, and from here you just want to find your Instagram. Once you find Instagram, just tap on it, and from here you want to head over to the notification section. Now you just have to tap on notification categories, and you will find all of these different options. So find the call settings here where there is call notifications, and from here just tap on Instagram direct video calls. Once you do that, you can change this sound right here. Tap on sound. So this is the current sound now. You can change it to whatever you want and then select from your preference. So that is pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.